Welcome back to Quilt's installation training series. In this segment, we'll focus on the proper clearances and installation of the outdoor unit, an essential step to ensure optimal airflow, service access, and longevity of the quilt system. For optimal performance and ease of servicing, follow these clearance guidelines. A minimum of 4 inches from the back of the unit. A minimum of 4 inches from the left side of the unit. We recommend 14 inches of clearance on the right side with a minimum required clearance of 10 inches to allow sufficient access for service. A minimum of 20 inches at the front for unobstructed airflow. 12 inches overhead if stacking units, or if under other obstructions like a deck or overhang. Whenever possible, install the unit on a ground pad. This reduces vibrations, which can sometimes be heard inside the home when the unit is wall mounted. If wall mounting is necessary, use a wall bracket and choose the exterior wall of a less noise-sensitive space, such as a garage or closet. Make sure the surface is level and secure. Connect the power conduit according to local code, using a disconnect box within sight of the unit. Electrical connections correspond to indoor unit connections and refrigerant lines. For example, the wiring for indoor unit 1 and refrigerant lines from port 1 must connect to the same indoor unit. After the electrical connections are complete, you can then install the front panel and line hide from the unit to the wall. The front panel attaches with 3 pins at the top and 3 screws at the bottom. The screws come taped to cardboard in the box with the panel. With proper spacing, protection, and the panel in place, your outdoor unit is now ready for line set connection and system commissioning.